Okay, as I said in hi Param, hi all, this is Param. As I said in the previous video, in the last video, we have seen that what are the benefit by disabling such a swap memory, and there are four ways to disable the swap memory. Okay, for the Elasticsearch node. Okay, so that is one of that is first things we do in the OS levels configurations. Okay, the second one is why? The second one is number of files. Number of files are the file handler. Okay, number of file can be opened by the Elasticsearch. Usually, what will happen now? Elasticsearch will open lot of files. Okay, so by default, the number of files we can open 1024 only. 1024 files only can be opened. Okay, that was in the settings. Even I can show here. Okay, CAT etc limits. I think right. Limits dot cnf. No, what is the file name? That security limits at conf. Okay, this is security limits at conf. Here you can see, of course it is not there, the thing. Okay, okay. Then u limit hyphen a. Here you can see number of files open files. Okay, open files is just by default 1024 only, but for the Elasticsearch we need beyond this number. Okay, it's a very big number. Okay, so to configure that has to be configured. Okay, again, so I said in the introduction of this OS configuration video, so you can do you can do temporarily using the u limit files, or if you can do by the permanently by updating these files. What is this file? Etc security limits files. So in these files you can update. Okay, okay, that is what file number of file can be opened. So this is a second OS level configurations. Okay, and so this is the value we will be configured. So 65535, this is the maximum values which we need to configure in our limit files. Okay, if you are using Mac OS, this option has to be configured. That's what they are saying. Okay, and with respect to the Debian, okay, if you are running the Debian or RPM files, you no need to worry. Okay, okay, it will be configured automatically. That's what this is a benefit if you are using the RPM or Debian package. Okay, of course, I would say there are benefit in both package. Okay, it's a personal preference only. I will say personal preference, unless until you want to run as a service. Okay, if you want to run the service your Elasticsearch, then you have to go for package either RPM or Debian. But otherwise, if you don't have such requirements, still you can run as a daemon process. Okay, still you can run a daemon process. Okay, so the daemon process enough means my personal preference to start with tab files. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. So how we can see this kind of settings? Okay, by using this variables. By using this node status variables, you can get if you are using filter path, this is also you can get to know how many things are there, what is the maximum file descriptor can be open. Okay, here you can see here. Okay, so I have run this command for my cluster. Okay, here you can see this is the maximum, this is the number has been set. So instead of 1024. Okay, okay. That's all about this video. Okay, so in this video we discussed the second OS level configuration, that is called number of files to be opened. Okay, and that should be at 65535 minimum. Okay, here you can see that is beyond that. Okay, okay, this is beyond that. I think that is the maximum value. I think. Okay, that is the maximum values. Okay. But you can do it temporarily or permanently. Temporarily means just u limit. Permanently means you can go with editing the limit dot files. But if you are using RPM and WP files, you don't need to. It will set automatically. Okay. But of course, we can see the status using the node API. So what is the value has been configured for the number of files in the cluster. Thank you. Thanks for watching.